So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Township app not working. The first thing I'd like you to do, number one, is to check your internet connection. Township is an online game, so a stable internet connection is essential. Now switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes your Wi-Fi may be unstable, so try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Restart your router. If you're using Wi-Fi, reboot your router to refresh the connection. Likewise, run a speed test to ensure that your connection speed is sufficient for online gaming. Step 2, restart the Township app and your device. Sometimes a simple restart does the trick. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom and swipe the app away. On Android, use the recent apps button and swipe Township off. That's how to close the Township app completely. Restart your phone or tablet. Power off and turn on device and turn your device back on. Launch Township again. Open the app fresh and see if it loads properly. Clear Township app cache. This is for only Android users. If you're on Android, cached data can sometimes cause problems. Update the Township app. Using an outdated app version can cause crashes. So open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Township, tap Update if available. After updating, open the app again. Reinstall Township with caution. If all else fails, try reinstalling. Then, check for device compatibility and storage. Make sure your device meets Township's system requirements and has enough free storage space. Contact Township support. If the problem persists, open Township, go to Settings, go to Help and Support, submit a ticket describing your issue with screenshots if possible. Wait for assistance from the PlayRig support team, and that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.